Am I wrong for giving my little cousin special cereal? So my family and my uncle's family are currently staying at my grandparents' house for Thanksgiving. I'm a morning person, so I was up around 5:30 a.m. A little while later, my little cousin came downstairs and said she was hungry. I quickly made her some special cereal. It consists of cereal with milk, a scoop of peanut butter, and a banana. Nothing crazy, but it's something I like and figured she might enjoy. Turns out she loved it. I left her at the table with her cereal and ran out to grab some drinks from a nearby gas station. When I came back, her mom was waiting for me, and she was fuming. She started yelling at me for giving her daughter special cereal, and said it was weird. I was honestly so confused because it's literally just cereal, and I've fed her kids before with her permission. She kept going on, saying how dare I give her kids something like that, and what she was supposed to do now that her daughter would want it every morning. I still don't understand what I did wrong. I was just trying to be nice.